Hi guys, good morning. By the way, I'm Engineer Roel, your property guide here in Pampanga. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Bill and Best Mabalacat, Pampanga. May pupuntahan tayong turnover project. So, na-turnover ko na kay client ito. Then, I offer my other, para continuous pa rin yung transaction. Then, after sales na rin. Na once na nabentahan ko yung client, so if she want or he want to continue na ipagandahin pa yung unit nila, so I offer house improvement, construction. So andito tayo ngayon, pasukin natin si Bill and Best Claremont, or yung unit nila is end unit ng Austin Homes dito sa may loob ng Bill and Best Mabalacat. So tara po, puntahan natin yung unit na ili-layout namin sa ngayon. Okay, tara po, pasukin na natin si Bill and Best Mabalacat here in Pampanga. So yung development dito sa loob is mayroon tayong mga lot only. So if you are interested sa mga naghahanap ng lot only at papatayuan ng bahay once na you have an bulk money, then we have more lots available in phase 5. So pagka interesado po kayo, just call me at 0966-8777-435 or look for Engineer Roel Bisperas, property guide here in Pampanga. So ngayon po, pasukin na natin yung Bill and Best Mabalacat, kung anong meron dito sa loob at kung paano tayo makakapasok sa loob po. So dito sa gilid ko, sa side ng yan yung magiging establishment, commercial establishment. Magkakaroon tayo ng commercial establishment dito. Then magkakaroon din ng bank dito, si SOS Bank. So yun kasi yung partner bank ni Bill and Best. So dito tayo, papasok tayo dito sa may along the highway lang po tayo, from NLEX 3 to 5 minutes andito na tayo sa Bill and Best Mabalacat. Then sa Clark International Airport, nasa lang tayo, lang yung natin dito. So andito, secured in terms of the security nila, secured po. Chief, good morning. So hintayin ko lang yung mga contractor ko mag-layout. Sige, thank you. So dito po, kung makikita ninyo is ganyan kalawak yung sa entrance area pa lang ni Bill and Best Mabalacat. Then in terms of the security, we are secured here kasi 24/7 yung pagbabantay nila. So ngayon, puntahan natin yung unit kung saan namin i-layout ngayong araw na to.
Site tour inside Bill and Best Mabalacat. Schedule your site tour with our agent Engineer Roel. Engineer Roel provides ongoing services, including selling, construction management, and property management. This property offers various units, including lot-only options, single attached house, and lot and bungalow house units.
Phase 5 area, andito po yung mga lot only natin. So ang mga cats dito is nasa minimum 120 cats. So mayroon pa naman tayong mga available units if you want near Clark area, Clark International Airport, at accessible into NLEX. Dito po yung mga natin. So magkakaroon din ng sariling amenities dito sa phase 5. So ito po yung magiging So So our price range here is starting 19,000 to 24,000, depends on the location nung magiging lot unit natin. So ito po yung phase 5. Then kitang kita po dito yung view ng Mount Arayat pag dito po tayo. So let's see the view of Mount Arayat. Ayan, ito po. So if you want more details about this property, feel free to message lang po dito sa YouTube channel ko, or feel free to call me at 0966-8777-435. So ito po yung phase 5 natin. More on the lots only yung binebenta namin dito. May mga few units left na lang po, dahil yun nga po, past ceiling siya, dahil once na full development na yung Pampanga, mas tataas pa yung price dito, dahil we are nearby Clark International Airport. Then we have an ongoing Clark to Calamba commuter railway inside Clark. Very accessible kasi tayo sa Clark International Airport, inside the Clark, and nearby lang tayo, 3 to 5 minutes travel pagkalabas natin dito ng subdivision. Nasa NLEX Santa Ines exit na tayo if we are going to Manila or South area, so very convenient po. Then if you want to go Baguio or North area, so very accessible din, dahil may mga diversion road na tayo na ginagawa sa continue nung Santa Ines exit natin. So may bubuksan doon na kalsada, tatagos yon going to Tarlac or New Clark City. Then mayroon din siyang access going to the NLEX area na papuntang north. So very accessible na once na full to completion yung magiging development ng Pampanga. At ang feel pa dito is tahimik yung lugar dito sa PLNBest Mabalacat. So we are inside the Mabalacat City. So yung magiging benefits, dahil magiging competitive yung municipal, kaya habang ngayon magandang mag-invest dito sa location natin sa Pampanga, dahil tayo yung tourist gateway. For example, you are going to south, north, then you want to travel local or international, so ito yung pinaka easiest access, kaya natawag tayong prime location within the area, dahil dun nga sa very convenient yung magiging natin. So ngayon, if you want to know more about the details here in PLNBest Mabalacat, so just contact me at my number 0966-877-435 and look for Engineer Roel Bisperas, or message lang po kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko and I will send the details, para at least magkaroon po kayo ng idea, or we can do the site tripping or virtual tour, at least may idea na po kayo sa magiging future home nyo, or sa future or investment po natin.